we have with the UMIDIGI unboxing video. So it comes with three different colors, space gray, green, and red. And it's the usual brochures that UMIDIGI have. So this is a Type-C cable. Wait a second, why is there a OTG cable? So if we can just take a quick look back at the video. Okay, back to the intro. The green color. Okay, I can't really tell whether this is a Type C, but I would imagine that's a Type C, but this is probably just their reverse charging cable. And this is the power brick that they have. It's 2 amp, which is nice. I believe they call that the 18-watt charger. The 6.53 LCD display, which looks really nice. It's definitely a little bigger than the previous UMIDIGI phones with the 6.3 inch, but this got the massive battery of 6,000 milliamp battery with the 18-watt charger. So this will probably take still like 2 hours to charge probably, even with the 18-watt charger. The phone looks a little thick, but the reverse charger is only 10 watt, which makes sense. Um, with having the reverse charging capability is pretty nice since it has a big battery. The chin on the bottom looks a little bigger than it looked on the picture, but maybe just the angle wise or not having that screen protector kind of makes the image a little different. The quad camera is really nice, 48 megapixels, 128 wide angle and macro lens, and a depth sensor. Helio P60 processor, 4 gigabyte of RAM, and NFC. So these are all good to see, you know, to see on the phone. They got dual SIM and multiple and external storage as well, so that's nice. And obviously Android 10, and it's got the small punch hole, so this is looking pretty promising for this phone.